Yeah, hi, Raymond. This is Mark in England, UK, Self Short. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you, and it's all working perfectly as it should be. And you can see the date there, and your part there, off your Beosound. I'm using exactly the same board there, the TDA board, that you would be using with yours, which is a 1254 board chipset. So yeah, it's all working. Basically what I've done is I've given it a service for you, and I've obviously changed the, let me just turn that down, I've obviously changed the laser for you as well. Okay, so that's all working as it should be now. You've got a 6-month warranty on that. If there is any problems at all, you know, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to actually, you know, get anything sorted out for you. I'm just going to go back through the tracks here so you can see what. Right, let me just go up one so you can hear that playing away there. So yeah, there you go. Thank you very much, and really appreciated. If there's anything else I can do, I'll be more than happy to. Thank you.